Hey guys, welcome to episode 5, this time making the backing plate for the cork drag disc. This part slips over the main shaft and rides on its own sealed bearing, clicking past the pawl while reeling, and locking solid to let the drag rip. You may have noticed in the earlier videos that this part was shown with square teeth. I've decided to give them rounded bottoms to allow me to mill them with a little less stress on the part. Before cutting on the part itself, I have to make an arbor for it to ride on. For this piece, I decided to try using Clickspring's superglue arbor. I have to admit I was skeptical at first, but this works really well. Cutting some grooves in the face of this piece will give the superglue somewhere to live and will greatly increase the adhesion of the part. And for the piece itself, I'll be using this piece of 1/4 inch stainless steel plate. This center drilled hole will be crucial for the alignment of the piece on the arbor. Next, we'll just spread some of the super glue onto the arbor, and you'll watch the back of my hand. This is some of my best footage to date. While the glue dries, this dead center will hold it right in the middle. Now with it all mounted up, we're ready to cut. To break the bond, first we'll heat it up with this propane torch, and then we'll beat on it with the screwdriver until it goes flying across the room. Very professional. Now that we got something to grab onto, we can flip it around and hold it in a more conventional style. Starting with the center drill again, we'll drill out the hole that runs through the center of the plate. Moving up now to a 3/8 inch drill bit. And now this 1/2 inch end mill, because my 1/2 inch drill bit sucks. So that hole we just drilled is this smaller hole that runs all the way through the part. Next we'll drill out the counterbore that the bearing will ride inside. This 5/8 inch end mill will make quick work of that. For cutting the teeth, I'm breaking out the fixture plate from episode 3. We're going to drill and tap the center of this piece to give a strong hold for the drag plate. The fixture plate assembles onto the rotary table just as it did before, but this time we'll be bolting that drag disc right into the center of it. This is accomplished with a 1/2 inch bolt and a nut squeezing it in place. This whole assembly is then threaded into the middle of the fixture plate. To cut 26 accurate teeth, I'll be installing the dividing plate onto the rotary table. This allows you to very accurately control how many times you turn the handle. There's lots of great videos on YouTube about using dividing heads, but in short, this is what we're doing. The first tooth is cut, defining our starting position. Using a chart, I know to make my 26 teeth that I need to turn the handle exactly 3 18/39 of a turn each time. By setting the sector arms to show 18 out of 39 holes, this accurately allows a partial turn to be made. The first half of the sector arm is set against the starting position, and the second half is set 18 holes away. To move to the next hole, we'll turn the handle 3 18/39 of a turn. After each hole, the sector arms must be reset to the new starting position. I left the DRO tablet at work, so today we're cutting with the hand wheels. I'm pretty sure you don't want to see me do this 26 times, so we're just going to cut right to the satisfying assembly. And that's it for episode 5. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the other videos. And thanks for watching.